Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content. So guys, in this video I want to show you guys the difference between a crimped hair and a straight hair, and I would like to know in the comment section which would you rock to a quick event. So guys, as you can see, I'll be using some hair products for this particular hair. This is a bone straight 24 inches, so I'll be using my heat protector for the hair because I don't want the crimping machine to actually spoil my hair. So I'll be using argan oil protein heat protector, as you can see, and I'll be using my Leoda's oil to make my hair shiny. So guys, let's do this. This is the crimping machine, and I got it very cheap. You can check any close by store to get yours. So guys, a quick one. I want to cut out sections from my hair. So guys, I'll be cutting out small section from the hair to see how the crimping is gonna go. So guys, it's so hot. You want to be very careful so you don't hurt yourself. Like so hot. So hot. You can see the hair is already looking wavy. The final part. I know this top part is not really giving it, but I don't want to hurt myself since it's on my head. So guys, we're done with this part. We're going to cut out another portion of the hair and do the same thing to it.
na may come.
No. Hello, Sabo. Hello? Hello, Kuya.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting.
So guys, this is the end result of the crimping, and this is the straight hair. So tell me in the comment section, which would you rock to your events? As for me, I prefer the crimped hair. It looks good and it looks more like deep wave, rather it looks wave. So guys, thank you. Do not forget to like and subscribe my video and stay tuned for more amazing content.